Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been for ages, but I thought I would just drop a video randomly. When I see a bit more activity on my YouTube channel, I just feel like I should do a video because it's almost like, oh, well, people are watching again, so I'll do a video. So that was kind of the reason why I did this video. I do have one trending video that just keeps getting views. And so when I get bursts of that, I get like bursts of subscribers, but I don't have like consistent views on my channel. So if you're ever wondering why, that's why I don't post consistently at the moment, but I do post all the time on Instagram. So if you do want to follow me and know what I'm up to, I still post a monthly look on my Instagram. I don't always film them. I may occasionally just to put something up on YouTube, so I'm still like posting stuff. So here's a random video for you that I just decided to film today.
So to start, I'm just getting a white eyeliner pencil and marking out all the indentations, and then once I've finished that, I'm going to go over the top with rigid collodion.
Okay, so I have probably done 8 layers of the rigid collodion. And now you can kind of see it's making that indentation on my face, which is awesome, which I am using Jordan Hands as a reference picture. I can't find a YouTube video of when she did this look. Maybe she only did a picture that came up on Pinterest, but she's amazing at shading. And so I'm going to try and use some of those techniques as well on top of this to make it extra defined.
So for the green paint, I'm actually using just a blue and a yellow paint from Graftobian. In this section, I do like a rant on about like tag in Graftobian, but Graftobian's the best for like all over coverage.
How about we be smart and just take this jacket off? So, I'm obviously using the jacket so I don't have to, oh, I hate these little hair things, so I don't have to paint everywhere. But like, if I was doing it like legit, I would probably, yeah. I'd probably still wear a jacket, actually. Because ain't nobody got time for that.
Not really sure what I'm saying here, but this is the 35B palette by Morphe, and I'm just contouring.
Now I know she doesn't have eyebrows for this look, but I just hate blocking out my eyebrows. Maybe one because I'm probably not that good at it, but I just love eyebrows. So we're keeping them.
This tutorial reminds me so much of the Joker tutorial that I did, and the eyes are super similar. I'm just using a warm orange as a transition shade and then packing black all over the lid and blending it out.
Okay, this is the terrifying part.
So from here, I'm using a white liquid eyeliner by NYX and going over the lines. And then I go back through using black liquid eyeliner at first, but then I switched to paint just because the liquid eyeliner was so bad. And then I also am shading with like dark greens and things like that just to make it look like it's more indented. And looking at this, I feel like it was not as smooth because of the rigid collodion. And I think next time, or there probably won't be a next time for me, but when someone else recreates this, totally just skip that step because the rigid collodion like is hard to get off and it's not comfortable to wear. You might as well just shade it.
And that is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. And like always, if there's something specific you want to see, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Peace. Yes! Oh man, disaster. Yeah, I thought I wasn't going to be able to film the end of this video. Whew. That was a close one. And I almost was like, and that's why I stopped doing YouTube. Because it's too damn stressful.